Todd Hudzel from MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today I'm on this brand new NauticStar 32XS offshore fishing boat. Incredible boat, great ride, class leading features like this huge lounge seat, huge storage under the lounge seat, so there's room for anything you'd ever want to take. 6 rod holders just here, so room for all your tackle, all your safety equipment, lots of storage. It's got two 16-inch Simrad displays. Put your radar, depth finder, all your stuff on there. See it clearly. Even as you get older, your eyes aren't as good. You'll see everything on those 16-inch screens. And with Optimus joystick control, docking is going to be a breeze. Behind the helm, we have a great bait station with solid surface countertop. And check this out. Cutting board built in, so you don't mess up your countertop. And you don't have to look at it after it's all cut up because it stores neatly right here. Last, but definitely not least, check this out. Right up here, we have this huge display to mirror what's on your main screens so you can watch the fish bite your hook as they bite. It's all controllable from this unit right here. What a great fishing feature, especially for bottom fishing. Really help you stay hooked up and know where the fish are when you're dropping. Powered by twin Yamaha 300s, the boat will do over 50 miles an hour and is good on fuel. Come to MarineMax in Panama City Beach. See for yourself how incredible this new model from NauticStar is.